Let's talk about the Prime Minister. The Parliament ends 18th. Prime Minister is on tour from 15th to 19th. Is that the value he gives the Parliament? What is so pressing? The countries that he is going to is Jordan, Ethiopia and Oman. Is that pressing? Are we having some major deals, major economic benefits because our Prime Minister is going there? Most of the tours, we didn't see much. We saw what happened after Operation Sindoor. We saw how much of the world supported us. We saw all that. So why such a hurry? When the Indian Parliament is in session, why is the Prime Minister all over the world? Shouldn't he be in the Parliament? Like the press, like a press conference, doesn't he respect the Parliament? Doesn't he respect the session? You blame the opposition for everything. You blame the opposition leader because he goes abroad. But here, the point that I'm trying to make is, till now, we saw the media being undermined. We saw the executives being undermined. We saw the legislature being undermined. We saw constitutional bodies being undermined. Now we are seeing the ultimate frontier of our democracy, that is the Parliament being undermined. And it is not just in the center. Here is the scene from Maharashtra state government. Hear this.
ये म्हणजे सभागृहाची काय मजाक लावली का? कुठे गेले ते मंत्री?
काही लोक मंत्री महोदयांनी
त्याचं काही दायित्व नाही आहे.
लक्षवेधी थोड्या वेळाने घेण्यात यावी.
नाही थोड्या वेळानं म्हणजे काय? मंत्री एवढा मोठा, त्याचा सगळा वाजागाजा असतं, सगळ्या यंत्रणा तुमच्याकडे असतं आणि आमच्याकडे यंत्रणा असताना आम्ही हजर राहतोय. आणि तुमच्याकडे बंगला आहे, सगळं आहे, गाडी आहे, घोडा आहे, कर्मचारी आहे, अधिकारी आहे. कुठे गेले ते? कसे काय झोपा काढताय? त्यांचा काही पगार गिगार कपा करता येते का ते बघा. काय प्रकार आहे? तुम्ही आम्हाला बोलावलं इथे. सभागृहाचा अपमान आहे अध्यक्ष महोदय. हे सभागृहाची काही गरिमा ठेवायची आहे का नाहीये तुम्हाला? म्हणजे आज मंत्री नाही ते 10 मिनिटांना येणार. ग्रामपंचायत आहे का?
This is the status of state assembly. Same thing, minister is not there.